Who do the Jets play? They play Jacksonville. And what are they famous for in Jacksonville? They're famous for Burger King. Yep, every day cooking, dad, cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back. Guys, the New York Jets are playing the Jacksonville Jaguars. And guess what? That's where Burger King was born, right? It was originally called Instaburger, right? But we got our meat, right? We got our lettuce, we got our tomatoes. Guys, we're gonna do this outside on the grill. So I'll bring you right back. All right, guys, we got 1 pound of meat. I'm gonna be making 2 burgers today. So I'm gonna put this in half and then cut this in half. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and make a flat burger. I want them to be bigger than what the bun is gonna be, right? These are like gonna be like almost like smash burgers. Let's just flip this over. Then we do the same thing here. All right, we got our 3 burgers. I'm just gonna hit them with some salt. It's kosher salt. And then when I get this outside, we'll flip it over. So guys, I'm gonna chop up the tomatoes and then we're gonna head outside. Avocado oil, just to clean the grill up a little bit. All right, guys, I'm gonna go down with the bread. Now these are only gonna stay on there for hot. Look at that. All right, guys, I'm gonna go down with a patty, salt side down. Again, salt side down. Then I'm gonna just hit it with a little bit more salt. Hey guys, it's only been a minute or so, so I'm gonna give this a flip, see if it comes up easy. It doesn't want to come up. About this one. I'm gonna pull these back from the heat a little bit. I pulled them back off the coals. All right, guys, we're gonna go down with some cheese. I'll put cheese on each one. Just gonna cover this up real quick just so we can get some melting done. All right, guys, our cheese is melted. Our patty. Well, that's going to be 1. Two patties. And 1 with 1 burger. All right, guys, it's time to assemble now, right? So, on my bread, let's go down with some mayonnaise. I always like to get extra mayo. A bed of lettuce, right? I'm gonna put that under the bread so it doesn't get soggy. Some onions, and I like a little extra onions. And then guys, a slice of tomato. Put this all together. And this is what we got. We got our burger, guys. Huh? You feeling that, guys? You feeling that burger? Guys, I almost forgot the pickles. We put a couple extra pickles on here. That's it, guys. We're gonna eat this, baby. We got our double burger, right? A double patty. Let's go in. Guys, this is good. This is delicious, right? We got our own Burger King at home, right? Hold the pickles, hold the lettuce. Good, guys. Guys, like, subscribe. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.